Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to build a Porsche 911 in Minecraft. First, lay down a 5 by 13 block base using black concrete to form the car's chassis. Next, position 2 black concrete blocks for each wheel, ensuring a 1 block space between them for realism. Then, start building the main body with gray concrete, extending it 2 blocks high around the entire base structure. This forms the foundational shape of your iconic sports car. Now, let's refine the bodywork. Utilize black concrete stairs and slabs to create the distinctive sloped front and rear sections, giving your Porsche that sleek, aerodynamic profile. For the wheels, place item frames on the side of the black concrete blocks and put black concrete inside them to simulate realistic tires. Then, install black stained glass panes for all the windows, ensuring a smooth and enclosed cabin appearance. Moving inside, let's add some interior details. For the driver's seat, simply place a black concrete block and then add a lever next to it to represent the gear shift. For lighting, use redstone lamps for both the headlights and tail lights. You can activate these with a hidden lever connected to the lamps, giving your Porsche functional illumination. Finally, create a steering wheel using an item frame with a black concrete block inside. To complete your Minecraft Porsche 911, attach iron trapdoors to the sides to represent the doors, significantly enhancing the car's realism. For a personalized touch, place a sign on the rear to act as a license plate, where you can add any custom text you like. Your amazing Minecraft Porsche is now ready to cruise your blocky world. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.